At the peak of Q4 last year, my store made $45,000 in revenue, which was a take-home profit well over $10,000. I think I just said the word profit. I guess it's a new word now on this channel. But besides that, today I really wanted to give you guys some inspiration and different product ideas that can earn you well over $1,000 a month, and we're talking profit here on your Etsy and print on demand store. So we are going to hop right into this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And with that being said, this video is sponsored by Printify, and they are giving anyone who watches this video a 30-day free subscription to Printify Premium, which discounts all of your orders 20% off on sample orders or any orders that come through from your customers to your back end of Printify. You generally get about up to 20% off per item that is purchased on your Etsy store, which means more profit for your store. So with that being said, don't forget to sign up for Printify Premium, link in the description below, and we're gonna hop right into product number one. The first product is the Bella and Canvas 3001, and this is like really not I did not like iron this or anything. I'm just showing it as is, but this is the Bella and Canvas 3501, and this is one of the nicest long sleeve t-shirts that I like to suggest as an item to sell on anyone's print on demand store. This design I specifically got off of Creative Fabrica, and you can also make this design yourself with either a Bison font or a Bavis New font that's found on Canva Pro, and also the Hallamum font, and you can make a lot of cute fall designs with those two fonts alone. But what's really neat about this t-shirt is you can get really good profit margins. This goes for $13.64 to start. You can use different print providers such as the Dream Junction and Awkward Styles that are based in the United States, and then you can also use Print Geek that's based in Canada. For this item, the shipping is generally close to around $5 in shipping fees, but I would not include this into the price and price higher and give free shipping. I would just have the customer pay for shipping and have that lower price. That's my best suggestion for pricing this type of item. The retail value of this item is $24.99, and that means it is a take-home profit of well over $10 if you price correctly. And again, don't offer free shipping and include it in the price. Just have the customer pay for it on this one. That's my best suggestion and what I personally do in my own store. With that being said, I did also want to say that they do offer multiple different color selections. You can get a heather navy color, you can do a heather gray type of color, there is a navy blue and a red color. So there's different options for designing as well, and I think the red is really great for some holiday designs to put on it. The second product I wanted to show you all is a acrylic clear cup, and this is such a nice product to sell on a Etsy and print on demand store. This goes for a production cost of $11.09 and shipping is $6.49. The retail value I would sell this item at is around $24.99, so you're looking at a profit margin of about $7+, which is pretty good as far as cups and more homeware go. And I think this is just super cute for the holiday season, and not to mention it's really great if people are taking this to work for their water, or even being a coffee drinker myself. I love making iced coffee. It doesn't matter what time of the year it is. If it's really cold and freezing out, I still make my iced coffee, and I'm a big fan of these type of clear cups that I can see my coffee in. And what's really cool about this is you get the little plastic straw with it. I think that's just a really neat additive to this product itself. It's such a cool product. The next holiday item that you could easily make $1,000 a month on if you have a lot of these products in your store is wine tumblers. Wine tumblers are just such a good gift to give people around the holiday season, especially if you have any friends or family members that you know just really loves wine, always brings it out every Christmas. This is a great gift to sell on your store and also give to family and friends. So they start at $11.49. Shipping is $6.49. The retail value that I would sell this item at is $19.99 to $24.99. You can go as high as $39.99. It's just depending on your competition for your specific niche, but you can get a profit of over $5 per wine tumbler that you sell. And what I would suggest is not including free shipping into this and including in your price, because I think the wine tumbler is going to be way too overpriced compared to competition. A lot of Etsy sellers sell these wine tumblers for about $19.99. So to stay around that amount, you would not offer free shipping. So you could see a good profit margin after that. There are two Printify providers that sell this wine tumbler. There is Sunfrog Solutions and also Chill. And what's really nice is they come in 3 different colors. There's a white, there's a matte black, and then there is also a steel. One thing I did want to stop the video and say is all these prices are very relative. One of the main reasons why is because depending on the color or size of an item, there is going to be a different take-home profit per item. What's a really neat feature in Printify is when you're pricing your items, you can price them and bulk select them and price them by profit that you want to see per item, size, or color, rather than just keeping the same price throughout all of your items. This is just a hack and tip that I do and I suggest to everyone else. So guys, this next item I am super excited about to share with you all. So there is a new print provider on Printify that I have known about for a while. It is called the Printed Mint, and they have the most unique items that you can sell on your store. Specifically today that I'm showing you is a glass ornament. So I'm going to put my hand in front of it so you can actually see it and it focuses, but this is a glass ornament that Printed Mint has on their website. The production cost is $10.92 and shipping is $4.49. And what's really neat is it's just printed on the back, but there is just so much that you could do with an ornament like this. You could put maybe someone's photo on this. You could do personalization ornaments or customization ornaments for a customer. And these retail around $19.99 all the way up to $30, which can get you a take-home profit of over $10 per ornament that you sell. And ornaments are actually a very high in demand product. Come the holiday season, there are multiple ornament stores on Etsy that make well over $500,000 just selling ornaments. So cannot recommend enough, guys. Along with ornaments, I did want to say that Printify does have ceramic ornaments. They have wooden ornaments. They even have the ball ornaments on Printify's website. So highly recommend checking out all of the different ornaments that you can design for this holiday season. So guys, the 5th product I have to show you is a phone case, and this is such a dang cute phone case. But I do this with every phone case, guys. I purchase a phone case and I have an iPhone 13 Plus. Oops, I probably shouldn't show you my notifications. I'm gonna show it without the back. I have the iPhone 13 Plus and I always order the iPhone 13 instead of Plus, I think, or maybe it's the Pro, something like that. So I always order the wrong size, and guess what I did? As you guys can see, I did not order the right size again. And I'm really bummed out about it because this is such a cute case, and it's a matte case, and I love matte cases. So on with the video, on with the important stuff that you guys want to know, not about my dumb ordering that I always make a mistake on. Comment below if anyone else does that. The production cost for this phone case starts at $9.77 if you order this with Spoke Custom, and it is $12.28 if you order with WOYC. Where I got my phone case was Spoke Custom. Spoke Custom is just really, really great of a print-on-demand provider. I highly recommend them, but WOYC is also really great as well. What I like to say about these is this kind of goes with the last few products is there are so many different phone types and sizes that if you're selling phones, the profit is going to really vary and the retail price will very much vary. But for a specific phone case, you do want to price your phone cases so you're seeing $10 to $15 in profit before a sale or after a sale, what have you. At least you're seeing over a $5 profit margin. That's what you want to make sure that you get after Etsy takes their cut of processing fees, transaction fees, what have you. So just make sure that you're getting a profit at the end of the day. But generally these retail around $19.99 and you could again price higher, especially if you have a sale running most days or anything like that. The other thing to note about this phone case is you have two different options. You can do a glossy finish or a matte finish. This phone specifically is a matte finish and the pattern is from Creative Fabrica again. So product number 6 is my favorite product out of this entire sample video, and one of the reasons is the profit margin that we're going to go into in a moment here. But first I'm going to show you, it is a micro fleece blanket. And what's really, really nice about this micro fleece blanket is the production fees are very, very low. Shipping is relatively low and your profit is relatively higher on the spectrum. So production cost starts at $11.25 for the smallest type of blanket. The shipping is $4.70. Again, that varies on the blanket size. And retail value starts, guys, get this. The retail value starts at around $34.99. I mean, you could price as low as $29.99, but generally for a blanket like that, and if you have a sale running, $34.99's most likely the best, and you're looking at a profit margin that you can easily get with blankets of $20 plus. And that's why this is probably one of my favorite products, because you have a high profit margin. This is a high quality, beautiful product, and highly, highly recommend Spoke Custom product. They just make their print-on-demand products such high quality and so beautiful. By the way, this design that you see here, I created with Creative Fabrica and Canva Pro again. I have a tutorial coming out on how to create this design that might already be out, if not already. You guys can now obviously see, but it's such a soft blanket, and I think this is just so nice to have as like a throw for decoration and all that. And even if you have maybe family visiting or friends visiting during the holidays, it's just a really nice extra blanket to have. I'm so excited about that blanket because it's already going to be in my winter decor. So the last thing to note about the Minky blankets is that you can use the same design and sell it as a Sherpa blanket too. And you can also design for hooded blankets. Again, this is all on Printify's website, and these are all high profit margin products. So I highly, highly recommend looking into selling these for the holiday season. Alrighty guys, so our last and final product is a product that you guys probably already know about that I love to sell, especially around the holiday season, winter time. It's just one of the best products apparel wise, and it's so much better than selling a t-shirt. You get much higher profit margins, and that item is a Gildan 18,000 crew neck sweatshirt. So this is probably one of my favorite products to sell around the holiday season just because you get very high profit margins. It's something a lot of people are looking for. The production costs start at $11.67. Again, that's usually looking at the smallest size and usually the most basic color that you can get. So profit margin ranges a little bit. Your shipping is usually $8, and I would offer free shipping and just include that in the price. Your retail value generally is around $39.99 for this type of product. You can price as high as $44.99. I've seen people price these as high as $49.99 or $50 plus. You could do that as well. And for this type of product, you generally will see a profit margin of $15 plus, which is a really nice profit margin, especially for selling apparel on Etsy. What's really, really nice about this sweatshirt and what I absolutely love is the fleece lined hoodie. It's just so comfortable come the winter time and even fall. It just makes for such a nice sweatshirt to wear. Even in the summertime, I've seen a lot of people buy from my store during the summertime too, because crew necks are just good like all year round. One thing to note is there are multiple print providers that sell the Gildan 18,000 crew neck sweatshirt. You can go to Monster Digital, Swift POD, The Dream Junction, Awkward Styles, Underground Threads. So just in case one print provider goes out of stock, there's another print provider that can cover that specific sweatshirt that's out of stock. So that's one really neat pro of using Printify and having them as your main print provider. Besides that, that's going to be it for this video. Don't forget to get that free 30 days with Printify Premium. Again, it's going to be in the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe, comment down below. What's your favorite product out of this whole entire video? Have you sold any of these products in this video that I mentioned? Besides that, stick around for the blooper reel because y'all know it's coming. And believe it or not, this is the second time I filmed this video today. I filmed 3 hours of video footage today and my mic wasn't working the whole time. And I tested the first video, it worked. And then after that, all the other videos were not recording my audio. So yeah, that's the only thing I have to complain about as a YouTuber. Besides that, I love what I do. So, you have that one bad day. And today's just that bad day. It's okay. Things are going to get better. We're going to cry about it later, just not on video. And yeah, everything's going to be okay. So anyways, see you guys. Annoying notifications. I always put it on Do Not Disturb, but not today. So, forget to sign up under that link as well. Actually, not sign up under the link. I don't know what I'm saying. My hair looked better earlier this morning when I filmed this the first time. It is what it is. It is what it is. W0, or what am I saying? You would want to price your phone cases. So you're seeing 15 to, or what am I saying? The other, I'm going to fix this shirt. I don't know how to get out of this field of view.